Friday, September 1st. Focus. God has not called us for impurity, but in holiness. We can choose to be pure or impure because of free will. Free will is a grace from God. This makes us grace-filled beings. Sometimes we perhaps do not realize. Consequently, we are neither grateful for it nor do we grasp the sheer enormity of this grace. When we sin, do we realize that we are grace-filled creatures who have done something unbecoming? Could this recognition of our graceful state lead us to the holiness that St. Paul mentioned? We are in such a hurry to prove ourselves in worldly affairs, to amaze wealth or fame, that we do not realize we were created for a higher purpose. We were given free will and also fallible bodies. The challenge is to use our free will to live a life pleasing to God. Having weak bodies makes this difficult. It also keeps us humble. It is this ability to realize one's purpose that may also apply to the parable of the 10 virgins. If the 5 foolish virgins had understood their true purpose and calling, then having an extra flask of oil would have been simple common sense. God wants us to understand. Understanding being a recognition of how blessed we are, and this recognition can transform. Fruits. Today, as I become aware of my failing, I am not discouraged. Instead, I will recognize my graceful state, repent, and live for a higher purpose.